Tidak ada yang bisa lari dari tinju besiku.
Power of Pegasus! Power of Pegasus! Let me show you my Cosmo. My cloth is on. I won't give up. I'll try as many times as it takes. Good to be back. The cloth is repaired. It will strengthen my cloth. I have stronger cloth now. Told you I would beat the giant. You remind me of the first battle. Anyone can make life shine. Anyone. Need to find my sister. Have you seen her? I am not interested in the tournament or the likes. This place reminds me of the sanctuary. I need to get out of this tournament alive. Is Iki in this battle as well? Strange. Enemies here have no constellation power. This battle needs to end soon. I don't want to go through that training again. I need to win the gold cloth to find her. Out of my way! Show me your power! Witness my power! I can see your moves. Your punch is slow. Pegasus Meteor Punch! Burn, my Cosmo! Why is the cloth so heavy? You're good, but I am better. I needed the warm-up.